Hey everyone, and welcome back to Knitting Revival. It's so good to have you here in our cozy corner of fiber arts. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about, and it's something truly rewarding: knitting a sweater. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. A sweater? That sounds a bit intimidating. But trust me, it's an incredibly satisfying project, and with a bit of guidance, it's absolutely achievable, even if you're knitting for beginners. The journey to your perfect knitted sweater starts, as always, with the right yarn. Choosing your yarn is half the fun. Think about the look and feel you want. Do you prefer a cozy wool, a soft cotton, or perhaps a luxurious blend? The weight of your yarn, whether it's bulky or fingering, will also impact the overall drape and warmth of your finished piece. And remember, experimenting with different yarn hauls can be a great way to discover new favorites. Once you have your gorgeous yarn, the next step is picking your knitting patterns. There are so many fantastic knitting patterns out there, from simple, classic designs to more intricate lace or cable work. For your very first knitted sweater, I highly recommend looking for patterns specifically designed for beginners. These will often use basic knitting stitches like garter stitch or stockinette, making the process much smoother. Don't feel pressured to tackle something overly complicated right away. The goal is enjoyment and learning how to knit this amazing garment. When it comes to knitting a sweater, you'll typically encounter a few common construction methods: top down, bottom up, or knitting separate pieces and seaming them together. Each method has its pros and cons. Top-down sweaters are fantastic because you can try them on as you go, ensuring a perfect fit without having to wait until the very end. Bottom-up can be great for simpler designs, and seamed sweaters often offer a very structured look. This is where a good knitting tutorial really comes in handy, guiding you through each step. Now, while we're focusing on knitting today, it's worth mentioning that crochet also offers incredible possibilities for garments, and you might even find some patterns that combine both crochet stitches and knitting. But for our knitted sweater, staying consistent with your tension is key. Make sure to do a gauge swatch. I can't stress this enough. It ensures your finished sweater matches the pattern's dimensions, preventing it from being too big, too small, or looking more like a crochet blanket than a cozy top. Making your own knitted sweater is a truly empowering experience. It's a wonderful example of slow fashion, creating something beautiful, personal, and sustainable piece by piece. Imagine the satisfaction of wearing something you made with your own hands. It's not just a garment, it's a story. For those looking for smaller, easy crochet projects or even trying amigurumi, remember that those skills build confidence for larger projects like this. You could even join a crochet along or a knitting podcast for extra support and inspiration on your journey. So if you've been dreaming of knitting your own sweater, I encourage you to take the leap. Start simple, choose a pattern you love, and enjoy every stitch. What kind of sweater are you hoping to knit? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Knitting Revival for more knitting tutorials and fiber arts inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Happy knitting, everyone!